Looking for a home within a well-established community, near schools, parks, and everything Central Oregon has to offer? This might be it. Let's go take a look. Tucked inside the Bridges, one of Bend's most desirable East Side communities, this home blends craftsmanship, comfort, and connection in the way that feels truly special. Step through the front door and you're greeted by light, warmth, and thoughtful detail at every turn. Custom built-ins, hardwood floors, and hand-textured walls pair beautifully with tall ceilings, giving the home an open, refined feel. The kitchen anchors the space, featuring stone counters, stainless steel appliances, and an island that draws everyone together. The primary suite offers quiet views of the backyard and feels like a private escape, while the bonus room adds flexibility for work, play, or guests. Here in the Bridges, you'll enjoy resort-style amenities, a clubhouse, gym, pool, spa, and miles of walking trails. Everything your Central Oregon lifestyle calls for starts here. We look forward to welcoming you to the Bridges.